Welcome to Nanobugged Studios, and I know what y'all think. Y'all think that Nanobug got it going on. You know, I bet he just makes him a few videos and sits around all day. Maybe cuts a tree every once in a while. Well, that's not true. It's not at all true. Like, for instance, this is what I'm working on now. See, all that I done got a whole trailer load of that up right there, like a bigger trailer load than that. And then I'm working my way all the way back to that corner. Got to clean all that out. Got like 8 tires back there. I got another pile about the same back there behind there. I gotta take that tree out right there. I got to clean out that garage right there. Then I got to cut this grass right here, and there's some hedges I got to trim in the front. I didn't include the ones in the back in the price, so I'm not doing them. All right, then we're gonna work out something on the pool here. See if I can't get it squared away. I don't know. I do not know what to say about that one, but till we drain the water. All right, so see, that's what I do. That's what I do. All that. Look, I gotta get up all these. Look at this. They done put this cardboard crap down right here. Look, I gotta get up all that stuff right there. All that's gotta come up. And before I cut the grass, it's breaking up right there. It's all broke up. I gotta get up. Shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's what I got to do. But I'm getting paid for it. But if I don't make it quick and in a hurry, I'm just pissing away my damn time and money, because time is money, and I got to hurry up and finish this because I gotta let y'all go. Bye. Thanks for joining me at Nanobugged Studios.